soon. The doctor will tell you what is good for you. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. And if you're feeling poorly, just remember this tune. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. 'Cause the doctor and nurse, well, they know what to do. They do. They'll always take good care of you. So be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. The doctor will tell you what is good for you. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon.
Hello, I'm Dr Ranj. Welcome to our very special hospital just for children. Come on, I'll show you around. Lots of clever people like doctors and nurses work here. And they're specially trained to care for children, just like you. You may come here because you're not feeling well. Or you need to have a test. Or an operation. Hello.
Hello, Dr. Ranj.
But don't worry, whatever you're here for, there'll be someone like me to check that you're healthy or to help you get well soon. This is my floor. I'd better get to work. Hello, I'm in one of our wards. This is where you stay before and after an operation, or if you're not well enough to be at home. I'm here visiting a friend today. Who's having a visit from me? Who will it be? Can you guess which friend it is? Let's see. I know who that is. It's Kiwa.
I've got wheels and I can ride. I can whiz down any slide. I've got wheels. I've got wheels. I've got wheels. I've got wheels. The doctor knows I need adventure, fun and speed. I've got wheels. Round and round and round. I've got wheels. Whizzing round. I've got wheels. Round and round and round. I've got wheels. Whizzing round. I've got wheels. Woo!
Hello, Kiwa.
Hello, Dr. Ranj.
I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
No, it's okay. I was just reading a book about wizards. Look. Froggius Poggius. Oh, you were supposed to turn into a frog.
I'm glad I didn't. I'm fine as I am, thank you. But how are you feeling today?
I feel okay. Dr. Ranj, I'm going to have an operation.
I know, Kiwa. That's why you're here, and that's why I've come to see you.
Why am I in bed when it's not bedtime?
It's so that we can look after you and get you ready for your operation.
Oh. What do you have to do, Dr. Ranj?
Well, today we're going to fit you with a nasogastric tube.
Really? Why do I need a noisy plastic shoe?
You don't, Kiwa. I said nasogastric tube.
Huh?
Nasogastric tube.
Nasogastric tube.
That's it. We call it an NG tube for short.
Well, why didn't you say so in the first place? NG tube is much easier to say. But I still don't know what it is.
An NG tube is a soft, bendy tube that goes from your nose down to your tummy.
Into my tummy?
Yes.
Ah, through my belly button.
No, Kiwa. It goes down into your tummy by going inside your nose.
Inside? You mean up my nose?
Yes.
Ugh.
It sounds strange, I know, but an NG tube means that we can give you special food or medicine if we need to.
But how does the tube go from my nose to my tummy? I mean, my tummy's all the way down there.
I'll show you. Look. The tube goes into your nose, to the back of your throat, and from there it slides down into your stomach, the same way as when you swallow food and drink.
But I don't put food and drink up my nose, Dr Ranj.
I know, and you shouldn't put anything up your nose, but doctors and nurses are specially trained to put an NG tube in your nose safely, so that's OK.
How do you do it, Dr Ranj?
Well, first, we need to measure so we know how far to put the tube down.
Oh.
With the tube, we measure from your nose to your ear and then to the bottom of your chest, like this.
Oh.
We need to go down to 55 centimetres.
Oh.
Shall we see if we can slide it down to your tummy now?
OK, but will it hurt, Dr Ranj?
No, Kiwa, it won't hurt. It might feel a bit funny when I first put it into your nose. It might tickle or make you cough.
Oh.
You may even sneeze. Sometimes it helps if you try to swallow as it goes down.
OK, I'll try.
Once the tube's in place, you'll soon get used to it and you'll be able to breathe and swallow normally.
Oh, good.
To help it slide smoothly, I'm going to put some gel on the tip of the tube and then we're ready to go, OK?
OK, ready.
Great. Now try and keep as still as you can and it won't take long at all. That's great, Kiwa. You're doing very well. Nearly done. And there. All in place. Now, if you just hold still for a tiny bit longer, I just need to stick some tape on your cheek. There. All done. How's that?
It felt funny. It still feels funny. It tickles.
I know. You'll soon get used to it. You'll probably forget it's even there.
Really? Forget what's even where?
See? You've forgotten already.
I haven't really.
You'll get used to it. Don't worry. If you're sick and you can't eat food, or your tum's not in the mood, I know it sounds a little funny. NG tube going down to your tummy. Bendy nasogastric tube
Will make you go all sneezy.
'cause we put some gel on it to make it slide down easy.
It did.
Bendy nasogastric tube goes in nice and slow. Gets that food and medicine just where it needs to go. If you're sick and you can't eat food, or your tum's not in the mood, I know it sounds a little funny. NG tube going down to your tummy. Bendy nasogastric tube, it slips inside your nose,
Then tickles just a little and wriggles as it goes.
Bendy nasogastric tube goes in nice and slow. Gets that food and medicine just where it needs to go. So there you go, Kiwa. Your nasogastric tube helps us to look after your stomach and what goes inside it. It's really important that we look after our stomachs.
Thanks, Dr Ranj. And I think I'm getting used to it already.
That's good, Kiwa. Now you can get back to your book and I'd better go before you learn how to turn me into a frog.
Don't worry, Dr Ranj. I'm not that good just yet.
Well, let's see if together we can magic you up a sticker, shall we?
A sticker? OK, we can try. Trickiest, stickiest!
Ta-da!
Oh, it worked! Thanks, Dr Ranj.
You deserve it. Well done, Kiwa. I'll see you again soon.
OK, bye, Dr Ranj.
Bye, Kiwa. It's time for me and everyone here at the Children's Hospital to say goodbye now. Thanks for coming to see us. See you next time. But until then, be happy, be healthy, and get well soon.
Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. The doctor will tell you what is good for you. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Get well soon.
Hello, I'm Dr Ranj. Welcome to our very special hospital just for children. Come on, I'll show you around. Lots of clever people like doctors and nurses work here. And they're specially trained to care for children, just like you. You may come here because you're not feeling well. Or you need to have a test. Or an operation. Hello.
Hello, Dr. Ranj.
But don't worry, whatever you're here for, there'll be someone like me to check that you're healthy or to help you get well soon. This is my floor. I'd better get to work. Hello, I'm in the audiology department. This is where we see people who have problems with their hearing. I have a patient coming to see me today. I wonder who it will be. Who's come to visit me? Who will it be? Can you guess which friend it is? Let's see. I know who that is. It's Jobi.
First it's fun just to watch me run. Go, go! And see me whizzing by. When I jump, I stretch right up. Go, go! And try to touch the sky. There's no fun in standing still. Running's what I need. Don't say no or whoa or slow. I just love to speed. Don't say no or whoa or slow. 'Cause I just love to speed.
Hello, Jobi. Come and sit down.
Oh, thank you. I'm Agent Jobi today, super spy.
Oh, OK. Agent Jobi. Oh, what's that? Jobi. Jobi,
Oh, yes, Dr. Ranj?
what are you doing?
Super spy stuff, Dr. Ranj, with my super spy ray. Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Do you know why you're here today, Jobi?
Well, sometimes I don't hear things very well. I think I might need new ears, Dr. Ranj.
You don't need new ears, Jobi.
Oh, but if I do, can I have elephant ears? Oh, they're massive. Then I'll be able to hear everything.
There are things we can do to help you hear better, but to find out, we'll have to do a hearing test.
Hearing test? Oh, no.
What's up?
I don't know much about hearing.
Don't worry, it's not the kind of test where you have to answer questions.
I know lots about spy stuff, though. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
A hearing test is how we find out what you can hear and what you can't hear. I'm going to ask you to listen to some special sounds, so it's important that you listen today.
Oh, sorry, Dr. Ranj. Did you say something? I didn't hear.
Well, that's what I need to find out. Maybe you didn't hear me, or maybe you just weren't listening.
Oh, don't worry, Dr. Ranj. Super spies listen to everything.
OK, well, first, I need to have a look inside your ear.
Wow, I didn't realise you were a super spy too, Dr. Ranj. That's so cool.
I'm not a spy, Jobi. This is an horoscope.
A what-iscope?
Horoscope. It's like a special torch with a magnifying glass.
Cool. Oh, are you going to poke it in my ears, Dr. Ranj?
You should never poke things in your ears, Jobi. I'm just going to use it to look inside your ears to check they're OK. It won't hurt, but it might tickle.
Oh, when you shine that light in my ear, Dr. Ranj, does it shine out of the other one?
No, Jobi, because your brain's in the way.
Oh, what can you see inside my ears, Dr. Ranj?
I can see your eardrums.
Eardrums? Wow, they must be so loud. Boom, 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 boom. But I've never heard them. Boom, 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 boom.
It's not that kind of drum. The eardrum is like a tiny thin sheet that wobbles backwards and forwards when you hear sounds.
Oh.
From what I could see, Jobi, your ears look OK inside.
Oh, but so why can't I hear some things?
Something inside your ears might not be working properly. That's why we need to do the hearing test today. Are you ready to do it now?
I think so, Dr. Ranj. This looks fun.
It's just like a game. Every time you hear a sound, you just need to put a shape into the tray.
That sounds easy.
Shall we have a practice then?
Oh, yeah.
You might hear a sound like this.
Oh, I heard that.
And when you hear a sound, what do?
Oh, we put the shape into the tray. OK. Boom!
Very good, Jobi. And that's all you have to do.
Oh, awesome.
During the test, you'll need to wear these headphones too.
Cool.
Some sounds might be quieter and others might be louder, but every time you hear a sound, you just pop a shape into the tray.
What if I don't hear anything?
Well, then you don't do anything, Jobi.
Oh, and what happens at the end?
When we've finished the test, we'll go through your results together.
OK.
Let's do the hearing test then.
Oh. Yeah.
Right, Jobi, now we're going to look at your results.
Oh, I hope I get a gold star.
No stars, Jobi, just lines. Your results are marked on a graph like this. The blue and red lines show the results for your left and right ears.
They look like squiggly snakes.
They do a bit, but these lines show me that your right ear is fine, but your left ear isn't working properly.
Oh, no.
And that might be why you haven't been hearing things sometimes.
Oh, so maybe I just need one new ear then.
You don't need a new ear, Jobi.
Oh.
We can give you something else to help you hear things better.
What?
A hearing aid.
What's that?
It's a clever device which helps to make sounds louder and clearer so your ear can hear them.
Oh, does it go inside my ear?
No, it goes behind your ear, like an earpiece that a super spy might use.
Oh.
This part goes behind your ear like this, and this bit goes in your ear like this.
Wow.
It might feel a little strange at first, but you'll soon get used to it.
Do other children have hearing aids?
Lots of children have hearing aids, but not everyone who has a problem with their hearing needs one.
And is this my hearing aid?
No, Jobi. This is just to show you what a hearing aid is like. Another department in the hospital will give you your very own one.
Mine to keep?
Yes, of course. They sometimes come in different colours too.
Oh, maybe it will help me to hear super spy stuff.
When you have your own hearing aid, you'll be able to hear lots of different things.
Cool.
When all the sounds around you should be so loud and clear, no matter how you listen up, you find you can't quite hear.
The doc will take a special torch and peer inside your ear.
Let's hear it for your ears. Let's give them both 3 cheers. They listen out all night and every day.
Every day.
Let's give them both a big hooray.
Hooray!
Let's hear it, hear it, hear it for your ears. You listen all you can, but the sounds aren't getting through.
Pardon?
You wonder what you're missing, you're not sure what to do.
Eh?
We can find a hearing aid that works just right for you. Let's hear it for your ears. Let's give them both 3 cheers. They listen out all night and every day.
Every day.
Let's give them both a big hooray.
Hooray!
Let's hear it, hear it, hear it for your ears. When all the sounds around you should be so loud and clear, no matter how you listen up, you find you can't quite hear.
The doc will take his special torch and peer inside your ear.
Let's hear it for your ears. Let's give them both 3 cheers. They listen out all night and every day.
Every day.
Let's give them both a big hooray.
Hooray!
Let's hear it, hear it, hear it for your ears.
Now then, Dr Ranj to Agent Jobi. Can you hear me, Agent Jobi?
Agent Jobi hearing you loud and clear, Dr Ranj.
Good. Then I think you deserve a sticker. Agent Jobi, Super Spy Guy.
Thanks, Dr Ranj. Bye.
Bye, Jobi. It's time for me and everyone here at the Children's Hospital to say goodbye now. Thanks for coming to see us. See you next time. But until then, be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. If you're not feeling well, it's always best to go and see your own doctor and get well soon.